Hey guys, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric, and I appreciate you tuning in. Today we're going to do a how-to video on how to clean a cold air intake air filter. And as you see, first of all, you have to remove the filter from the car, which I did, and put it on top of this bucket, and it's really pretty dirty. I live in Arizona, so it's really pretty dirty stuff. But then what you want to do is you want to grab your air filter cleaner, which I purchased as a kit from K&N, and it's right there. It's a little power spray nozzle. You spray it on there, and again, it's from K&N. It comes in a kit with a cleaner as well as aerosol oil, which is the red lube that goes on it. And you start spraying it on here, and make sure you apply it pretty liberally because you want that K&N air filter cleaner to penetrate the grime, the gunge, all the crap. Every once in a while I see a bug that's stuck up inside of this cold air intake filter here, even though it rests in my air intake box. Alright, so we'll let it set about 5 minutes or so, and I'm just going to give a little hose. I don't even see all that white. That is all the dirt and all the oil and all the stuff that's collected on road grime. And rolling around here. I haven't cleaned this probably 6 months or so, and because we're so dusty here in Arizona, I really should clean it more often, but it is what it is. You see all that white stuff? Yeah, now we get nice and clean here. Alright, we're just going to finish this up and add the oil to it. So you see it's already rinsed off and sitting on top of the bucket again, and I would let this thing air dry, which normally is what I do, but today I'm pressed for a little time. I want to get this project done sooner than letting it have air dry, so I pulled out my air nozzle from my compressor. I have the pressure set at about 35 to 40 psi, so it's not going to ruin the air filter, but it will get rid of the excess water, which is my intention. Alright, so we got the JLT air cleaner all cleaned up and I'll dry it off, and now I'm going to use this red oil. It's an air filter oil from K&N. Just spray it on here a little bit. And here we go. We're all set. So appreciate you watching. Hopefully you learned something about taking care of a cold air intake filter, how to clean it, how to dry it, how to dress it up. All right, well, she's all good to go. Installed back into the car. And remember, folks, like, subscribe, share, and always drive it like you stole it, bitches. Till next time.